So here we have a 2013 Chevy Malibu. It's got the 3.6 liter, and we're going to be looking to replace the camshaft positioning sensor. The code, I'll pull this up on my phone here, is, it's not going to focus, but it's P0014. It's the camshaft position sensor bank 1. So this is the front of the motor. Here we are on the passenger side. So the front of the motor is this way. You got dual overhead cams, so you're gonna be looking at there's gonna be 4 camshaft sensors all together. Here's number 1. Here's number 2. And then to get to these two, to make it easier, you're gonna remove the power steering pump, which is just, you got one 10mm underneath this hose. You have another, and then on the side right here, you'll have another 10mm. You can just lift that up and get it out of the way. And then you'll have 2 more back here. You'll have this one up front, and then you'll have one right here. Now to replace these are just simple pull up. Man, that's probably the easiest one. 10mm bolt, tag it, and these electrical connectors are, back ones are broke, so I'm assuming these have been changed before. So you just, in this case, I'm gonna just remove, which once you unscrew it, just pull them straight out. And here's actually what it will look like. It's the OEM one, or what I'm assuming is OEM. Yeah, just pull it straight out, take the clip off, put the new one in, and that should be it.